Hello everyone, myself Santosh. Today we are going to start theory class on material testing. In this material testing, we have two different types of methods. One is non-destructive testing and another one is destructive testing. Before you start the course, let me first tell you what are the main learning objectives in this course. Non-destructive testing plays an extremely important role in flaw detection, quality control, and a wide range of industrial applications like as automobile, locomotives, aerospace, defense, and other industries. There are variety of NDT techniques in use. It is important to know the underlying principle of each technique to be able to use them effectively. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals, science, and the underlying principles, and learn the method and process details of each NDT technique. Different types of non-destructive testing methods. One is dye penetrant testing and second one is magnetic particle testing. Third one is ultrasonic testing and fourth one is radiographic testing. So why we require these different types of NDT methods? Why? Because each and every method has some limitations. So that's why we are using different types of methods. Now coming to the dye penetrant testing, by using this dye penetrant testing, we will get only surface opening defects. And magnetic particle testing, in this method we will get surface and near surface defects. And one more limitation is this magnetic particle testing, which is applicable only for ferrous material. And ultrasonic testing, by using ultrasonic testing we will know entire depth of the material. Here from using ultrasonic testing we can find total internal discontinuities of the material. And radiographic testing, in this radiographic testing we will get only shape or image of the defect. So here each and every method has some limitations, so that's why we are using this all types of methods to identify the defects. So what is non-destructive testing? So why we are using this non-destructive testing? Means to detect internal discontinuities of the material without any damage the material. And this class was basic introduction of NDT. From next class onwards, what we are going to do? We are going to do pick up this NDT methods. As I said in the beginning, first we will cover the basic principles behind the technique, and then we will learn about the methods, how the method is done, what is the process, and process details. So that we are going to start from next class onwards. Today I will stop class here today. Thank you for your attention.